Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Want to make your Predator laptop keyboard look awesome? Let's customize the RGB lighting like a pro. First of all, open the Predator Sense, which is on your keyboard at the side of your number lock, or you can search it from here, Predator Sense, and open it. After you have opened it, this is the home screen of the Predator Sense. Then go to the scenario button and you will see the pulsar lightning option. Click on it. Here you can choose the keyboard lightning. From here you can reset it from here, and you can choose the area where you can put the light. Suppose in this section I will put yellow color, and go to the 2 and select another color. You can increase or decrease the brightness from here. You can directly select all the options and select one color at once. After you have finished, go back. If you want global lightning control, click on it, and you can use static, neon, or wave, or zoom in, and you can also control the light from here, and you can also increase the speed of the laptop. Yes, you can also increase the speed of the effect, and that's it. Now to save, simply go back and it will automatically be saved. And that's it, your Predator laptop keyboard is now fully customized. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more Predator tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.